Hi, this is Lewis with Rosebud's Travels. I want to show you another thing that comes in the new 2019 Casita. This is the gray models, and as you can see, the plumbing going to the bathroom is what they call an upgraded flex hose plumbing. I believe they had PEX going to these before, and now they have these plumbing lines that they call an upgraded plumbing line that comes with this model. And I'll show you the plumbing lines in the under the kitchen sink also. Here are the upgraded plumbing flex lines that are underneath the kitchen sink. As you can see, that's a different type of water supply line than they used to have. And their official printout of the additions that they've added to it, this is one of the things that's on the list. So there's what they call an upgraded plumbing line to the shower and bathroom and to the kitchen sink. I'll see you in the next video.